Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to send feedbacks for those bad responses on Gemini AI. On any browser of your choice, simply go to gemini.google.com. And as you can see, I have already signed into my account. If you have not, do sign in right now. Let's try to enter a prompt. And let's submit it. Now let's say we did not like the response that we were provided with. Now let's see if there is something we can do about it. If we look at the bottom of the response, you will find something like good response, bad response, and the modified response. You can share it and export. You can double check your response or simply click on this more icon and you can see many other things. For now, I disagree with this response, so let's click on this bad response button and a pop-up will open to take our feedback. Well, let's see. No factual correct, offensive, unsafe, others, and provide additional feedback. Well, you can type anything here, anything you want to give as a feedback. So let's say I'm going to type something here, and if everything is okay, let's just click on submit. And there you have it. You have provided a feedback for this response that you were not satisfactory with. And that's about it, guys. That's how you send a feedback to a bad response to Gemini AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.